Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I just wanted to come on here quickly and show you guys some templates that I have and what they look like. Trying to turn this around. Okay, so these are some of the templates that I have on my website. Look at this, you guys. I love this one. So I do have the oval kind. And then I have these. This is what you see right here. And then I do have the tube beads. So, what does that look like? Let me show you. So, these right here belong to this template here. And then this is the tube version of it, which I love. Now, the difference in paper. This is the difference. So these I have printed out and rolled together with cardstock paper. You know, cardstock paper is a little bit thicker than printer paper. And then on the other hand, I have these two that I printed out and rolled up with regular printer paper. So as you can see, there is a huge size difference. Like, these are definitely much smaller compared to these right here. So really, it just depends on what you're looking for. And then if you guys want to take it a little further, like for example, these oval beads that I cut out. If you look, you know, I have staples in it, and I have two cardstock papers put together. So this is what these look like, and these are a lot bigger than the little animal print ones that I'm doing now. Like, these are way bigger and fatter. Let me see if I can get it to focus so that you guys can really see. Yeah, these are so much fatter. Now these are longer, but these are, you know, wider. So it just depends on what you're looking for. What do you want your bead to look like? Me, I like my beads to be kind of, you know, on this side rather than the little paper bead. Although there's nothing wrong with the paper beads with the printer paper. It's really just personal preference, to be honest. Same as with these that I did. Remember, I used 2 pieces of paper. I used the cardstock paper, and then I also used that gold metallic paper that you see as the accent, and these are very thick as well. So like I said, it just really depends on the size that you want your bead to be, yeah, and all that goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll this one up, because like I said, I am trying to see what works, see what don't work, see what I like, see what I don't like when it comes to the paper beads. So one thing that I can rule out is the paper. I do not like the thin paper. I'd rather just stick to printing out on cardstock paper. To me, the bead, when you also glaze it and harden it, it's more sturdy to me, you know, compared to just a little thin printer paper. So I've got that ruled out. Today I do have a new glaze coming for me to test out. It's called what is it called? PC something. It's like a wood hardener though. So I'm going to test that out on these beads and see how that works compared to the polyacrylic. Look at that, that's so pretty. So hopefully I can get these beads up and for sale on my website. Like I said, I really would love to sell these beads so that people can make creations with them, you know, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, whatever. Like, I would love that. Because like I said, one thing I love to do, I love buying beads, but it just seems like there's not really anything new at the stores, at the craft stores. Like, I've been seeing everything that they have, and I have pretty much most of it, which got me into trying to make beads of my own. So yeah, look at that. And I think these are going to be super nice once these get all glazed up and ready to go, you guys. Might be my new favorite set. Well, I don't know, because I don't know, like, I just don't know, because I feel like every time I make new beads or a new set of beads, they always become my new favorite, you know. And I also ordered a bunch of different colors, like, of this. It came in a pack for like $6, you guys. I was like, I can't beat that, especially when I got that single one for $1. So I was like, yeah, definitely gotta jump on that. Yeah, I can't wait to get these glazed up. So I'm gonna glaze these up, and then I'm gonna come back on here and show you guys what they look like. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. It is the next day. Do you guys hear me? The next day. I used that mirror, is it mirror wax wood hardener? You guys, that stuff works awesome. Like, look at it. I mean, shoot, these look like actual glass beads. It's amazing, except for it takes forever, do you hear me, to dry. Like, even after it had dried or been on here for like 12 hours and I went to like touch it, I could see like my fingerprints in it. Like, it still was not dry. So this morning, believe it or not, you guys, I still came in here to check it. It still was not dry. So what I did was I hacked it. I had got this delivered yesterday, and I put I put a coat of this over it, because, you know, this doesn't take as long to dry. And now it's dry. Now it is completely done, you guys. I'm so happy with the results, but I'm just not, y'all, it took forever. Now I will say I did do like 5 coats of the wax. These did not get as many coats as the other one. I'm sure you could tell, because these over here is like fire. Do you see that? Like, it don't even look like paper no more. Okay, so look at that. Like, it doesn't even look like paper anymore at all. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my embossing ink, and I'm going to use some of this gold to you know, do my ends up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of these off, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I'm trying to show you that this one, as you can see, it's glazed on the edge. I'm going to do the other side. Trying to get it to focus. Okay, so I'm first going to go ahead and just press this down in the embossing ink. Just press it down, and now that it is wet or damp, I'm going to now dip it into the glitter. and then just brush off the excess. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and just turn this on. This is the part I really wish you guys could see. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Alright, let's see. It's going to be kind of loud, so you might want to turn your... But it's like you can... Alright, and we are done. But it's like you can literally see the gold melt. Like you can see it. Okay, so them two are done. And I'm going to keep going, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys. So this is the final result of the beads. This is how they came out. Do I love them? Yes. Do I think it's worth so much trouble, like all of the coats, embossing the edges? No. This will probably be the only set that I do like this. I ended up doing probably, no lie y'all, about 8 to 10 coats of like glaze, and I don't think it was worth it at all compared to, you know, these where I only did 4 and I still love, you know, how they look. So I guess it's just personal preference. But I will say that because I think it's so many coats, you can't really see the lines in them too much. Like, you know, they started to fade away, I guess, and just look like one bead. I don't know, but is it worth the trouble to me? No. Do I love the result though? Yes, I love the result, but I'm not, y'all, this ain't for me. I'm not doing this again, no more at all. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I think I'm going to play around with these glazes, see what works, what don't work. I would love to test out. I have the PC Petrifier. I have the, you know, the mirror wax, wood hardener. I've got the polyacrylic, and also to test out, you know, Mod Podge, the Dimensional Magic, as well as the diamond glaze, and just see which one ultimately, I mean, looks the best. So yeah, I'll probably be doing that and post that video soon. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I mean, I do love them though. Like, I do love them. I do love them. I do. But it took so long for just one set. I can't do this. You guys, I can't. Alright, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.